Okay, well, we've shown you the Conservatory at Bellagio before, but it changes several times a year, and we are nearly to the Chinese New Year, and that is what it's decorated for right now. I'll try to walk around, show you a good look at it. Las Vegas has a large Asian population, in addition to the fact that traditionally quite a number of gamblers from Asian countries have been some of the best customers here in Las Vegas. Not as much in recent years with the growth of Macau, but it's kind of a big deal. I'd say that's probably true in most large cities, but I don't know if this is the year of the husky dog, perhaps. I'll have to look it up. But as always, it's quite beautiful, and that's why I like to continue to show it to you. Always nice water features. This is the Year of the Earth Dog. And there it is. You can read that if you'd like. Just pause the video. And, I think that's sort of the main piece of it. If you're in the conservatory area, you're very close to the Cafe Bellagio, a rather pricey coffee shop here. And you can exit out the back of the conservatory over here. I'm going to take a ride over to the Monte Carlo, see how things look over there. But anyway, this will take you out of the conservatory, down towards the spa tower area. And that's our video of the conservatory for Chinese New Year. Thanks for watching. As always, like this video and please subscribe to the channel.